4-cycle engine basics. The engine, goes through 4 strokes, that is, 4 cycles. The input port opens over here, and gas and air come in. Then the input port closes, the piston comes up and compresses the gas and air. Then kapow! The spark plug ignites the gas and air. The piston is forced down, and the crankshaft turns. Now the output port opens, the piston comes back up, and wastes exit. As the piston rod goes up and down, it makes the crankshaft revolve. A small gear is on the crankshaft's end over here. It meshes or engages a larger gear in a 2-to-1 ratio, like so. The larger gear, number 2, on the top, connects to another shaft called the camshaft, like so. The crankshaft on the bottom turns, and gear number 1 turns gear number 2. So the crankshaft here turns, and gear number 1 turns gear number 2. Gear number 2 turns its shaft, the camshaft. On the camshaft are 2 cams, that is to say, little knobs, like so. Knob 1, knob 2. Knob 1 rotates, and finally it comes to this one position where it ends up pushing upwards a nearby rod that is above it. It pushes up on one end of a rocker mechanism here, and the other end pushes down on the input valve, opening it. That rod movement opens the intake port and gas and air flood in. The cam on the camshaft moves in step with the crankshaft, and that's how the input and output port valves open at the right time. The second cam on the camshaft now moves a rod that opens the output port. And here's the output port. It's now been opened. And now the piston now moves up. And the waste products exit. The end so far.